Well, it's my birthday today and I'm going out to dinner with a really good friend. We're gonna do a glam. I have decided we're gonna separate our hair. My hair got destroyed trying to take those curls out for my sad clown look. And now I ran out of heat protectant, so we're gonna raw dog it. So I didn't really explain what I was doing here. I took a section of hair and I wrapped it around the curling iron parallel to the floor. So this year I turned 31. Next section. I am very poorly rolling up that curl that I just created. This one is the one I'm gonna clip up. I noticed a lot of you guys have birthdays in April, and I'm thinking, are most creators just April babies? I also forgot to mention that I'm only going to clip up the curls on the front of my head. Pin it up. Next section. Next section. You know what would be nice? A Dyson Airwrap. But I'm pretty sure I would need to sell a kidney to afford a Dyson Airwrap. Next section. Next section. Whatever birthday you're celebrating is the year you just finished, not the year that you're starting. So basically I've been 31 this whole year and now I'm celebrating that, which is crazy. I'm gonna be honest, when I was a teenager, I didn't think I'd make it past 30. Did anyone else have that when they were little? Last one. I will hairspray the front. And hopefully that does something. I'll come back to the hair after my makeup's done and we'll continue to finish the look. All right, so my makeup's done and I'm just gonna take these bobby pins out. Can you guys believe it's not even a person named Bobby? I don't even know what a short horsetail looks like, but I like the revolutionary history behind it. Woman cutting their hair short. They bopped it off. So scandalous. How dare they? All possibilities are true in quantum physics, right? So is there a universe out there that has women as like the patriarchy, like the oppressors? The world's just run by women and it's fabulous. I'll comb them out with my fingers. I just have to say, my mom used to rock this hair like naturally, and I have to do so much to get my hair like this. Damn. So this is how I'm gonna be styling my hair. I'm gonna put on the rest of my accessories and I'll be right back. This is the final look with the hair and the accessories. I did put a little concealer on my lips because I just felt like they needed a little dimension. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'm running late for dinner, so I have to go. Bye!